All right, so we're trying to find an angle here for where our borders are going to meet to get them mitered up nice and tight. So basically, what you have to do is find the overall angle and then split that and cut both of them so that the lengths are the same on the miter. So what we do is we pull 3.5 inches from the end of our framing in, and that's how we overhang our border 2 inches. So right here, we've got decking laid out 3.5 inches back from this framing, and then we have our 3.5 inch line snapped and off with chalk. So now I could see off of this framing using my speed square to come in, line up with my new line at 3 inches off the framing over here, and then I look at my square and I see that that's a 25-degree angle there. So what I do then is I'll write in here between my chalk line and my edge of my board, I'll write that's a 25-degree angle. And you know that this whole angle here has to be 180 degrees. So then coming off of that, I know that this is a 90, so that determines that this angle in here is a 65. This, once again, is a 90 coming off of this board to here. So that's a 90 there, and then that means that in the middle, we have a 25-degree